Welcome back to my channel. I'm Dee. If this is your first time tuning in, go ahead and click the subscribe button for all my return subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Okay, as y'all can see, the format is a little bit different, but that's only because y'all, I'm like super duper tired. I don't even have enough energy to go upstairs and go into get my camera, my tripod, and all that other stuff set up. So I said I would just do it with my phone. It would be a lot easier, and boom. So this is not a vlog. It's actually a regular video, but I'm using my phone, so y'all just have to overlook that. Okay, so I've been saying that I was gonna do a pregnancy update video, so here it is. I'm in my third trimester. Oh, before I talk about the third trimester, y'all, let's get into these nails. Can y'all see this? Like, look how long my nails are. My nails are so long. I went and got them polished the other day. They're really long, really strong. I'm trying to enjoy it because I know as soon as I had a baby, then they're probably gonna go back to being weak and all that. But anyway, so third trimester cravings. So the second trimester I was craving hamburgers, which was weird. This trimester I am craving fried chicken, but not just any type of fried chicken, because I've always been a fan of fried chicken, but I like Popeye's chicken, and I have been craving KFC, and I haven't been to KFC probably since I was in college. Like, I never go to KFC at all. So for me to be craving KFC, like I said, weird. I get the $5 box with 2 legs, extra crispy, and on the days where I'm a little extra kind of hungry, I'll get the one where you get the 3 pieces of chicken, and I just get 3 legs, extra crispy. Yeah, so I'm craving that. Y'all, I'm tired. I know y'all can tell that I'm breathing hard. I apologize, but I'm not sure where he's sitting at inside of me, but whatever it is, it's it's definitely affecting my breathing. Oh my God, because I feel like I'm always breathing so hard. What else? As far as products, I haven't used a lot of products. I think in that one video I showed y'all some products that I was using. Now the lotion that I'm using is the Palmer's cocoa butter lotion. I ran out of the oil. Excuse me. I ran out of the oil that I had bought from Motherhood Maternity, and so then I picked up the Palmer's. They have like some type of oil has like a rose hemp fragrance. So I've been using that, and I think that's about it. So let's just go ahead and get into the rest of the video. So today as of yesterday, I was 36 weeks. So today is Monday, December the 10th. So I'm 36 weeks and 1 day. I just got back from the doctor's appointment, and blood pressure was fine. Weight, when they weighed me, I think I gained like 0.6 ounces or something like that. 0.8 ounces, somewhere up in there. Whatever it was like 216 pounds, 0.8 or something. And anyways, I started at 165, so now I'm at 216. So y'all can do the math. She checked me, and I'm pretty much at a 1, so that ain't really nothing to get all geeked up about. And I did the ultrasound. The ultrasound was fine. His movement was fine. Didn't get any pictures because his face is pushed up. Like, this is my placenta, and this is his face, and it's like turned this way. So it's hard to get pictures, the 3D pictures, because he's so close to the placenta. But his heartbeat, movement, all that was cool. What else did we talk about? Oh, I have to go back to the hospital because towards like 20 weeks, I went to the hospital to get a Doppler done, and that is to get my right leg checked for blood clot, because it swells and stuff a lot. And so when I went in today, she looked at my ankle and my leg, and it was a lot bigger than the left one. And so she said, just to be on the safe side, that I would just go back to the hospital to get it checked, because last time everything came out fine, but you know, just trying to get all that handled. We didn't do any measuring. The last time he was measured was week 34, and he was 5 pounds and 13 ounces. So I'm not sure where he is now. I'm hoping that I can get dilated if he's not already here. I mean, not dilated. What am I talking about? I hope they can induce by the end of the year if he's not already here, because the official due date is January the 6th. I am very tired. Since maybe like week 34. When week 34 came in, that's when I started feeling really tired and sleepy and just kind of like wanting to lay around. I am still working, but it's hard for me to focus on work sometimes. Like, I'm looking at the computer. I have things in my head mentally, but as far as me typing them out or getting my thoughts together, it's a little process with everything. What else is going on? He moves a lot. He moves all the time, and he moves so much that sometimes it's uncomfortable for me, like at night, to go to sleep or to try to take a nap. So I will kind of pat my stomach, but according to Adrian, I am beating our child, which I'm not beating him. I'm just patting my stomach to like calm him down, you know? And what else? There are a few more things that we have to get. It was like only like a couple things that we didn't get off the registry that I need to order. I'm not done setting up his room. I'm not even worried about his room. People keep asking me like, can you send pictures of the room? What is the theme? And blah, 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 blah. I'm like, he's a newborn baby, okay? His bassinet is already set up in our room. He's going to be there for a while because I'm not going to be going back and up, down the stairs with him right now. So I feel like I still have time to actually do his room. He has a crib and all that, but I just haven't like set it up the way I want to get it set up. And like I said, I have time. So that's about it with that. But yeah, so I'm excited. I'm nervous, ready for him to come. This is the baby bump. Baby bump. I forgot to mention, if y'all are not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at DSFAVORS, because I do post a lot of stuff. Well, I ain't gonna say a lot of stuff. I've been posting more on Instagram than I have on Facebook, and I don't think I have shared my maternity photos with you guys, but I did post a few of them on Instagram. I'm trying to figure out how would I incorporate them on YouTube, but I'm not sure. But if you want to see some of them, then you can go to my Instagram. I took 2 sets of maternity photos. Both of the outfits that I had on a white outfit, a red outfit. Both outfits I got at Amazon, so I was not out here spending $200 or $300 for a maternity outfit. I just refused to do that. The white outfit, I took a few photos by myself, and my husband was there, so we got photos together. So really the focus of those photos was for us to have some together. It's only like maybe a couple that I liked with me by myself. And then in the red outfit, all of those photos I took by myself, but I think I only posted one on social media. So yeah, whenever, like I said, whenever you get a chance, go check that out. And I'll try to incorporate them somehow. Like I said, I haven't figured it out yet, but I really want to share my maternity photos with you guys, because I think I only posted 4 online. So if y'all have, if y'all get a chance to look at the pictures and y'all have any questions about like who did them and like how much the outfits cost and all that, I can go look it up for you and let you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, I'm trying to figure out well, this is the thing. I want to straighten my hair. I have not straightened my hair since September of 2017 when I got married. So I want to straighten my hair because I feel like it'll be easier for me to like maintain when I have the baby. But I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. Like I said, I want to do it, but then I'm also thinking about maybe doing some other type of protective style or whatever. I think I'm going to wear my hair like this probably for a week. I'll probably take it down in like 3 days and re-moisturize it and retwist it just because it's easy. And I have been wearing wash and goes for like the last 2 washes. Yeah, so the last couple times I washed my hair, I've been doing wash and goes instead of twist outs. And I also have been trying to walk. Like I started walking like 4 weeks ago, trying to walk like 3 days a week. And I was doing good until last week. We got a lot of rain and it was cold because I usually just walk in the neighborhood. And so that kind of threw me off. I think I only walked like 1 time that week. But this is a new week. The weather is supposed to be nice all week. So I will start back on my walking journey. But I'm just glad I got a chance to share this video with y'all. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them below. If you have any advice, I'm open to all advice. with me being in week 36. Like I said, I mean, he really could come any day now, I guess, at this point. So if y'all have tips and tricks, let me know. I'm in the process of trying to get my bag together. So if you have things that you think that I should have in my hospital bag, please leave those below as well. So until next time, talk to you guys later. Bye.